Hey folks, welcome to my channel. It's Vageline, your favorite wig influencer. If I'm not, hopefully I will be. And if you're new here, welcome. We do everything here synthetically fun. Make sure to watch this video all the way through till the end. Okay, if you like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you've been here, let's go ahead and get into Who's That Girl. You can watch me put her all the way together. I'll just give you my thoughts and opinions on her. Alright guys, let's go. Alright folks, so this wig is from Freetress. She's a curtain bang. She has HD lace and her name is Maven. Now she is actually the sister wig to Freetress Bombshell, which I actually reviewed. I'll probably link her on top or in the description box. But she is the same concept. She's a full cap wig. I got her in the color burgundy. Again, she has HD lace. She is a curtain bang style. She is curl safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and she's a synthetic wig, of course, because you know I do nothing but. Now this is what Miss Thing is looking like straight out the box. This burgundy was burgundying, okay? Because I didn't think she was going to be this bright. I thought she would have been a little bit more on the darker side. But yeah, I was like, you know what? I'm going to do what it do. Now she comes with the 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and an adjustable strap. No elastic band. I want to say she does have a little bit of a parting space, but nothing too serious. Maybe like 2 or 3 inches. Definitely not 5. But she has a little bit of a parting space. Okay, after putting her on, I realized I needed to tint the lace just a tad bit with my foundation brush. I went ahead and did that, and this is me putting her back on to try her again. And as soon as I put her on, I realized she's definitely big head friendly. She did come pretty much ear to ear, and she was giving straight out the box. Like no extra curling, bumping, nothing. She was giving. Now, do not get me wrong. I feel like her curls might drop, so you might need to go ahead and bump her a little bit more. But straight out the box, baby, she was giving looks. What I really like about this wig is the texture on her. She is not super duper silky, nor is she all the way yucky. So she's not super duper thick, and she's not so shiny where she looks like a synthetic plasticky kind of wig. For her to just be $27, $30, maybe $40 plus tax and stuff, depending on where you buy her, and she's a put on and go, I would literally get her in every color because, again, she is adorable. But listen, now that I got her all the way together, let me give you my thoughts and opinions on Miss Marvin. I don't know how to pronounce it, but whatever. Miss Freetress. She is adorable. I would definitely buy her again. I would definitely pick her in different colors. For $30, you can't go wrong. She's a put them on and go type of wig, and y'all know how I like my put ons and goes. You know what I'm saying? She is definitely something that you would wear for holiday parties, depending on the color. I would even wear her to church if she was in a 11B. You can wear her to your grandma's couch just to, you know, stun on somebody. You know what I'm saying? Your whole family in there like, who that girl? Who's that? It's just me, baby. I don't know. She's just giving looks like, I love this wig. Other than the holidays, I would probably wear it to a concert as well. Like, she is like adorable, honestly. bar hopping, you know, after you finish hanging out with your peoples and you just like, listen, I need a drink because they stressed me out, you know, type of stuff. She's it. She's that girl. Like, I like this. I like this a lot. Alright guys, so that's my thought and opinions on Miss Thing. She's so cute and so perfect for Christmas. Oh my god, I can just see her with a big old winter coat. No flurries all down my hair and everything, just making it look spectacular. I don't have to worry about it messing up my hair because it's synthetic. You feel me? Listen, if you like what you see in this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a hot, fiery baddie like this one, you will go ahead and get notified. Alright folks, see you in my next video. Bye.